Greetings, grade 10. Grade 10s, we are given such a question like this. In the sketch below, the graph of f of x and the graph of g of x intersects the x-axis at a and b, the y-axis at e. The graph of g intersects the x-axis at a and the y-axis at c. F and G intersect at D. Use the graph and the information above to determine the following. Number one, they're looking for the coordinates of A and B. Those are the x-intercepts. So since they are the x-intercepts, you will take the what? The graph of F. So you will have the what? The x-intercepts where we let y equals to 0. Hence, we will have what? X squared minus 1 equals to 0. I open up two sets of brackets. I will have x and x, 1 and 1, plus and minus. So x is equals to minus 1 or x is equals to 1. Okay? Now, this means what? This means that the coordinate of A is given by negative 1 maps 0. And the coordinate of B is given by 1 maps 0. Okay, so those are the two coordinates they are looking for. Then go to number 2. They're looking for the coordinate of C. C is the y-intercept of the straight line. So y-intercept, it is where we let what? X equals to 0. So I will have y is equals to 0 plus 1. Then y is equals to 1. Therefore, the coordinate of C is given by 0 maps 1. Okay, now they are looking for the coordinate of D, the point of intersection. There it is there, okay? So I'm going to say f of x is equals to g of x. That means what? That means here I will have x squared minus 1 equals to x plus 1. Then I take x plus 1 to the other side. I will have x squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0. I open up the two sets of brackets. I will have x and x, 2 and 1. This one will be negative, this one will be positive. Then we know that x is equals to positive 2 or x is equals to negative 1. We know that this negative 1 is for A, right? This is A, which is negative 1 maps 0. But this one is D, which we are the one we are looking for. D, which is 2, okay? But we don't know the y-axis, so we have to take these 2 and substitute it. Either substitute it on F or on G, but take the simplest. The simplest is G. So I will have y is equals to 2 plus 1. So y is 3. So this is maps 3. That is how I have my coordinate of D for 5 marks. Okay. Now they are now looking for the range. The range of F. The range of F depends on this turning point, which is negative 1. So the range is going to say y is greater or equals to negative 1. This is the range, guys. The range of F. Okay. Now, they said determine the length of RG. If OH, where is OH? OH is 6 units. So that means here, I know that this X here is 6. Okay. Okay, we are looking for RH. That is R, and this is G. Okay, RG, not RH. Sorry. Okay, so I will take that point being 6. I substitute it on the straight line. Y is equals to 6 plus 1, which is equals to 7. That is what? That is G. Okay, Y of G. Okay, is equals to 7. Then I check the Y of R. Y of R, I substitute in the original. So I have Y is equals to 6 all squared minus 1. This will be 36 minus 1, which is equals to 35. That is y of r. Therefore, rg is given by what? Y top minus y bottom, which is equals to what? 35 minus 7. So now you can check on your calculator what is 35 minus 7. Okay, it will give you 28 units. So that is the length they are looking for. Okay, then from there we are checking where g of x is above and f is below. Now I like to highlight this one. G of x is above, then f of x is below. That is the space I'm looking for. Okay, now let's shade it. This is the space we are looking for. Okay, so now the issue here is, how then do we write those space? I do have the x value here, the x value here. So should x be in between? Okay, what was the x value of D? It was 2. The x value here was -1. So this becomes my answer, because this region they are looking for, it's enclosed. On top it's enclosed by G, on the beneath it's enclosed by F. Okay, so that is how we do that problem. Okay, I hope it's clear, grade 10.